Hi guys, so excited to share a few tips and tricks about color correcting underneath your eyes. So the first tip is using a specialty under eye cream. This will help to moisturize and prevent the cakey, crackling look of makeup under your eyes. So apply that first underneath your eyes and let it soak in for a minute while you get all your other makeup ready. Now, you're able to apply under eye correction colors with a brush, but I do recommend using your finger for your first couple times. This will help you so that you don't over apply the makeup. So today I'm going to use my finger to help correct underneath my eyes. It's hard to see in the video, but I do have some purple tones on my inner eye. So I'm going to be using my Frenchy lip and cheek color, applying with my finger and dabbing underneath my eyes, the corner near my tear duct, and I'm coming around all the way underneath my eyes. Depending what color under your eyes is, purple tones, dark tones, and their overall skin color, your overall tone of your skin, these colors will differ between people, which one we'd recommend to correct under your eyes. Again, I'm using Frenchy lip and cheek today. So I'm going to dab this in underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to come in next with my overall highlight color. So I'm going to fill my overall highlight color on my face using my brush. Today I'm using my buff brush. I'm just going to work around my face here just to even out my skin tone. This is giving my under eye Frenchy a little time just to sit on my skin. Okay, when I move underneath my eyes, I'm going to make sure that I don't do a swiping motion. I'm just going to dab. So I'm dabbing my overall highlight color right over that color correcting color, Frenchy lip and cheek. And I'm just dabbing all the way around so that I'm not dispersing the makeup anywhere else, just kind of patting right on top. Until I feel like it's nice and evenly covered. Then I'm just going back, making sure everything is nice and smoothed out. So next, this is where your perfector sponge is going to come in handy. Have this handy when you're doing color correcting especially. I'm going to do this a couple times between layers of makeup. So I am dabbing my perfector sponge to even everything out, smooth everything out underneath my eyes before I move into my brightening color. Next, I'm coming in here with my brightening and I'm using a new technique where you apply on the inner eye and then at a little bit of an angle going up towards your outer eye. This is going to help you give a little bit of an eye lift look. And so I'll show you as I blend just how amazing that works to apply your brightener that way. And I'm going to pop a little bit on down the center of my face as well and start to blend. Now you can see as I go under my eyes again, I'm using that little stipple patting motion as opposed to swiping the makeup. And watch as I bring that brightening color up, how it just lifts and brightens underneath your eyes. I'll do the same thing on the other side using the stipple motion. Perfector sponge again to melt everything together. Again, to prevent any cakey, creasy underneath your eyes. Then I'll pop in with my contour here. This will give me that nice little three-dimensional depth. Applying under my cheekbones first. Then going to my hairline. And then I will use my finger for my nose just to give a little bit of a thinner line there. And then I will just work on blending. My lip and cheek color will come last just to add a little bit of color high up on my cheekbone and then on my lips. And that is it. Simple color correcting for under eyes. Perfector sponge comes through at the end around the whole face to finish the look and blend everything together. And look how nice and flawless.